03039. Wow! 40309. Congratulations! Madam Maricel. All right. We have Coach Bag by Madam Gemma Laksina. And you are very lucky. Ticket number 403 And we have the Nanette Lepore bag, very expensive bag. Madam Riza, courtesy of Madam Riza, congratulations to the winner of this bag. And modeled the Nanette Lepore bag. Ticket number 403 I-share kita yun yung mga numbers. Bingo! 4030 21 403021. Congratulations! Purot na. Napa! Dual citrus juicer. Hindi mag-o-open. Marami pa po. Okay. We will be awarding the hats for the early birds registrants. Ano siya, ma'am?
Wala na.
Wala. Wala niya, Phil? Okay. This one. Grand prizes for our gentlemen. First, we have the Under Armour shoes. Kinsa ang mananawin na tulong na lang sa mabibili.
Iyahan na. Siguraduhin na ito nga pare.
Ang size. Courtesy of Madam Gemma.
Ay, para na sa mga laki.
First, congratulations, ticket number 222016 222-016. Congratulations! Wow!
Gilbert Nene.
Maigo ba? Ilista na taglain. Wow! Congratulations! Next one, isa niya siya Under Armour or A6? A6. Size. Padulong kita siya na puro. Pangalaki, madam. Sorry. Courtesy of Madam Riza. Size?
11 and a half.
11. Size 11, Boston number 222-002. Congratulations! Isa ko? Wow! 222-002. Size 11, wow! Congratulations, perfect, the perfect size 11. A6 shoes by Sir Romel T. Congratulations. And the last one who will be bringing home this Under Armour shoes
Gemma.
is from Madam Gemma. Ticket number 222003. 2220, yeah, sir. Congratulations. 222003. And the winner for our... Padronin ako. Chicken. Sir Lomberto, congratulations, Sir Lomberto. And we will now proceed to the awarding of batch 91. The Big 5-0 is Mr. Elmar Nazareno. Congratulations! Let's give our words of applause to Mr. Elmar Nazareno. Our Met Gala Prom King. Golden Prom King. Congratulations. And the winner yourself a plaque and a sash and a wine. Please stay in front, sir. Congratulations. And our prom or golden prom queen who garners 14 points out of 83 nominees. Please step forward and join us here in front. Madame Tess Favreau. You will sell a sash, plaque, and a bouquet of flowers.
Sulit tayo sa... Sulit yung galing ang tayo.
Congratulations to our golden prom king and queen. Well, let's give them our warmest applause, ladies and gentlemen. Dahil sa masibak pakpak, ang ako ang hanap for tonight's Golden Prom King. Masayawan ako, diba? Way back the 90s, nasayaw siya ng ako ang Prom King and Queen. Sa tarang si Pakpak, ako ang yasan ng apalog. Isayaw na ito ang isa-isama na. What, sir? Please leave your plaques and flowers and wine. Dito sa tumaan. Dito sa tumaan, ma'am, sir. Okay. At ang prom king of queen. Anyway, just golden prom king and queen. That's what si Papa, ladies and gentlemen.